Hi, it's Munsi again. Welcome to my channel. Before we begin, if you'd like to see more of my calm personal content, there's a special link waiting for you in the description. Today, I'm spending a quiet moment in the bathroom doing a little gentle cleaning. Nothing complicated, just soft touches and presence. With a simple cloth and paper towel, I start wiping surfaces slowly with intention. I follow the lines, smooth out any streaks, and let my hands move naturally. The mirror catches the light again. The sink feels fresh to the touch. It's not about doing it fast, it's about making the space feel clear, calm, and taken care of. Thank you for being here with me during this soft routine. Sometimes quiet care is the most powerful kind. See you soon.